Hello guys, Andy from Crypto Dealers here, and now we're going to have a look at Bitforge Finance. I'm gonna tell you why I think, or I can even prove that it is a scam, so stick with me. So first of all, what is it? Basically it says you get 1.8 to 2.8% daily passive income by mining Bitcoin, okay? You connect your MetaMask wallet, for example, you give them your USDC, and then you get your rewards. Okay, sounds good, but it sounds too good to be true, because let me show you. If you invest $1,000, after 25 days you will get 1,500. That means you make 50% in 25 days. Crazy. Okay, first of all, if you've been subscribed for a longer time, we are looking for KYC. We are looking for, has the contract been audited? Do the people show their faces, and does it make sense? Okay, so let me show you guys. First of all, this is how the dev looks like. Basically it says they are data center. I mean, to mine Bitcoin, you know, it's important that you have a good miner and low electricity prices. So they say they are in Ethiopia. Okay, and let me show you guys the KYC. One of the guys has been KYC'd. The guy is from Bangladesh. Okay, and here let's see the contract. Okay, backdoors, a lot of red flags here. Owner can steal from the contract balance by using set proportion, which changes percentage, denominator, and daily interest rate coefficients. Owner can increase the daily interest rate with no restriction, which can be used to withdraw all liquidity. And guys, I'm gonna tell you this will happen, because let me show you. If you buy a good miner, okay, let's say the Ant miner here, yeah, with a huge power output, okay, and with a good hash rate, okay, it will cost you about $10,000, okay. And another important factor is energy price, okay. As you can see here the energy prices are pretty high, but they say they are in Ethiopia, okay. So let me show you. The price per kilowatt hour is $0.045 per kilowatt hour, okay. And now we make the calculation, and that's why I can show you that is a scam. It's a scam. So let's say we have the $10,000 Bitcoin miner here, and we type in the energy price, okay. Even you see 0045, I typed in 004, okay. So we keep it at the lower end. So if you use this, if you have it running for 1 year, you will have a profit. I mean, this is the income, that's the electricity price, a profit of $2,100. So bear in mind, you need a building where you put the miners. Let's say you buy 10 miners, one miner is 10K, so you invest $100,000, then you have to put the miner somewhere. And then after 1 year, you could make, with an investment of $100,000, $20,000, okay? And those guys here, these Bitforge people here, they say that they will give you 50% in 25 days. This is technically impossible. So I'm gonna tell you what's gonna happen. Basically, as long as new people are coming in, they will take your money, and you can get your daily rewards as long as there is enough liquidity in the contract. But once they decide, okay, we have so much money in the contract, they're gonna rug pull, okay? Let's say they have $50,000 in the contract, or whatever amount, and then they say, okay, we're just gonna take the money, and that's it, because it is not sustainable. As you can see, you can make maybe 20% profit, and we don't even talk about any housing costs or whatever, yeah? So, and they say 50% in 25 days, that's crazy, yeah? So it's impossible, guys. I'm pretty sure they're gonna rug pull. If you watch this video, maybe in 2 hours or in 1 week, I'm pretty sure this project will be gone. They're gonna rug pull, they're gonna take the liquidity out of the contract, and that's what's gonna happen, guys, okay? So guys, as always, no financial advice. Always do your own research before you invest your own money. Yeah, okay guys, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.